So I mentioned this tank in my last video and how it's like self-sufficient and I haven't had to change the water in a very long time. All I do is keep the water level from going too low. But I've been noticing some problems with it recently. So if you can see that thing in the middle of the screen, that used to be a plant and it's very much dead now. And down here we got a little shrimp. And I don't know, they just seem to be going a little bit worse than they were. We have a dead shrimp over here as well, so yeah. I think it's about time that I clean out some of the stuff in this tank and actually give it some maintenance and see if we can give these shrimp a better chance of surviving. Because I know we have at least one pregnant one in there at the moment, so yeah. Let's clean out this tank. What I'm going to do is use the siphon with the net just over the end to try and stop getting any shrimp up into there. So, and I'm going to capture the water in this bucket. It'll be great for the outside garden. I'm just scaring them off with my hands so I can come in and clean off some of this algae. So now I'm just going to use that same siphon from before to put some more water back in this tank. So I just got some plants out of one of the other tanks. I'm going to try and add these again and see if these will take off. There's not really much sand, so I might need to put a rock on top of the roots. A little bit tricky with one hand. It's nice to see the shrimp coming back to this moss and actually feeding on it. They hadn't been doing that for a while. They do seem to be liking the way the tank has been cleaned out, so it'll be interesting to see how they go from here. I'm hoping this is just what they needed to take off again and have another boom, because I used to have quite a big population in here. Oh, the glass got a little bit fogged. So that's actually the pregnant shrimp I was mentioning, as she runs off and hides. But I'll be keeping track of how she goes, and I'll update you on that. Hopefully we get a new lot of baby shrimp soon. Look at this guy just sitting there for us perfectly.